In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your website to Pinterest in this 2026 Easy Guide. To get started, open your web browser, go to Pinterest, and sign in to your account. This can be either a personal account or a business account, depending on how you use Pinterest. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. From there, open the Settings area. Inside Settings, find the section called Claimed Accounts, or in some versions, it may appear as Claim Accounts. This is where Pinterest lets you connect assets like your website so the platform can recognize that the site belongs to you. Next, go to the Website section and click Claim or Claim Website. Pinterest will then ask you to enter your website address. Make sure you type the full URL exactly as your site uses it, including the secure HTTPS version if that applies to your website. After entering the URL, continue to the verification options. Pinterest usually gives you a few different ways to verify ownership of your site. One option is an HTML tag, which means adding a meta tag inside your website's head section. Another option may be an HTML file upload, where you place a verification file in the root directory of your website. You may also see a DNS TXT record option, which involves adding a TXT record in your domain's DNS settings. Choose the method that makes the most sense for your website platform and the level of access you have. Once you've picked a method, complete that verification step. If you chose the HTML tag option, paste the meta tag into your site's header area. If you chose file upload, upload the verification file to your site. And if you selected DNS verification, add the TXT record exactly as Pinterest provides it in your domain settings. After that, save your changes. If you updated your website directly, make sure those changes are published so they're live online before you go back to Pinterest. This part is important because Pinterest needs to detect the verification code on your website or domain. Now return to the Claim Website page on Pinterest and click Verify or Submit. Pinterest will then check for the verification method you added. If everything is set up correctly, your website should appear as claimed in your account. If you use DNS verification, keep in mind that DNS updates can take some time to propagate, so it may not verify instantly. Finally, go back to your Claimed Accounts page and confirm that your website is listed there. Once the connection is complete, Pinterest can associate content from your website with your account. And for eligible accounts, this can also unlock additional analytics and attribution features.